Yo, so I'm out here doing my pull-ups, and I noticed it is, first of all, it's Monday, May 13th, 2024, and I've recorded Lightning Lap 20 and 21 today. When I'm doing these pull-ups, I've noticed that there seems to be an electrical disturbance that you can see on that light as it's on the ground. I don't know if you can see it in the light fixture itself, so I'm going to make sure that you can see the ground. I think you can. And I'm going to do some pull-ups, and we're going to see if there's an electrical disturbance. But both sets that I've done, I'm only doing 4 sets, so I'm doing 2 more sets. Both sets that I've done, I've noticed that it starts flickering when I'm doing the pull-ups. There's no connect, the bar is not touching anything, it's not exerting on any wires or anything. The door frame is separate from the light fixture. If it starts to flicker, I think I'm generating some kind of electrical disturbance, which happens sometimes when I'm in the house. I can cause some lights at times to like flicker and stuff. So let's see. I mean, I can already see it. It's like as I'm loading the muscle. Based on everything I can see, the door frame is independent of that light. I'll move the camera even. Let me do this next set. Give me a moment to breathe. Just this happens from time to time when I'm in the house and I'm doing stretching. Specifically on my right side for the most part. You can clearly see at times different lights, and it may be because the house is not wired. It's, you know, like a 30-year-old house at this point, so it's not, maybe the electrical's starting to get off, so it's more sensitive. But I mean, even the fact that I'm like, clearly you can see the lightning stuff in the videos, but this is like, I mean, this is just obviously showing like, yo, am I a mutant or something? I mean, I don't think that's just it, but very clearly, I don't think this is normal. I don't think a lot of the stuff you see in my videos are normal, but at this point, this should be something you could measure with science. Like the lightning lab thing, okay, that's something in and of itself, but again, I think you can scientifically measure whatever's going on here. I don't really particularly want to be lab tested, unless I'm the one running the lab, but I mean, it's like, what are you gonna deny? You can clearly see it. Right? I'm gonna watch this video over, because it could be, you know, like maybe it's something as I'm breathing, I'm taking it, I don't know, like does it have to do with my internal frames per second or something? I mean, what I can tell, it's just that I'm probably generating some kind of electrical disturbance. I really don't think there's anything Okay, on the inside. Now, my only thought here is maybe on the left, that's some kind of electrical thing. And that's my dad. Well, looks to be more satellite related, because this is where the satellite dish comes in, but I could still ask my dad. That being said, oh, I don't know, I'm trying to close the door there. That being said, the fact that this does happen in the house, you know, I don't know. I don't see anything particularly in that panel, and like, if I go up here and I show you this, like, it's not like, I don't believe there's like a wire. No, there's no cable up there that it's that I'm gonna be disturbing with the bar that I can think of, right? So I guess it could be applying pressure on some point in the wall where there's a wire, but you know, I'm just gonna suggest it's probably more likely that I'm causing some kind of electrical disturbance. At this point, with what I see in the Lightning Lab videos, that I'm consistently doing something with lightning. I mean, it does not seem impossible. It seems actually highly probable. I mean, there you go. So I don't know. Again, there's a satellite dish. I can see some electrical going up. It could be that I'm applying some pressure on something. So, I mean, I'm trying to be reasoned here. I'm not just trying to just say stuff for no reason. Clearly there's a consistent pattern with lightning stuff, so anyway, I think I'm gonna do one more set. We'll see if I change the grip to like neutral grip, we'll see if that affects it. So neutral grip is where you're doing the pull-ups from there. It engages a different muscle set. Or that's the same or similar muscle set in a different fashion. You can hear that. That was my knee popping. The good kind of pop. That felt great. I mean, it seems to be when I'm applying the most pressure. Pressure. When I'm applying when I'm applying the most pressure, but that could also be because I'm applying the most pressure on the wall. So, but I don't think that's what it is. Is this? I'm not looking to my left. Is the left side doing it at all? I think I did see it earlier, but could be it. I mean, it does look like it's causing something. I don't know how I test this other than what I just showed, but anyway, I guess I might just post this and be like, post it up. But I think it's something maybe in the wall. Now that I'm like looking at it, I don't think that discounts any of the other stuff that I see where I'm like not touching a wall and I'm touching the ground and the lights around start kind of doing that, exhibiting literally that behavior. So I do think that it's possible. Like, I think there's distinct, like there's the obvious is I'm applying pressure on some part of the wall is like causing, I don't know, either more of a connection or less of a connection when the frame of the door is pressed and it's on this side. Well, maybe it's both sides. I don't know, I guess I could just post this up regardless. And, you can decide for yourself. I think the safe bet is clearly when I'm touching the wall, something's going on. That being said, I'm out here alone. I don't have someone else to press the wall and see what happens. But, probably, I guess, the same thing. Next time there's like, I notice when I'm doing a stretch or something that there seems to be like electrical disturbances or something going on, or an electrical disturbance, I'll make another video, because that does happen, and I'm not touching anything in that instance. That's why I so quickly came and grabbed this, because I could actually record what I'm doing and the light fixture and stuff. I guess I can do that whenever, but anyway, okay. That's going to be the end of this video, so hope you enjoyed. Have a blessed one. I might put this up, I might not, because I do think, again, as come here and I do this, right, and we look down here, this is what I'm saying, like, you can see it. I don't know if you can see it from back there, but when I'm pressing here, you can see it's, like, affecting the way the light source is. You see it on the wall when I do it? I guess we'll see. Other than that, maybe I'll just put it up because it's a workout video and I get to flex. But, gotta show off all the gains. But, okay, I think that's gonna be it. So, hope you enjoyed. Have a blessed one. Catch you next time. Later. Yeah.